Hey friends, so like the title says, let's have one big yummy delicious chocolate orgasm. The more people the better, so invite as many people as you can into this video. It's a health video with a really good flavor. So before we get started, most people do this prep work before a video starts, especially a live feed. Get some lip balm on. Bit unorthodox here. And the last thing that I like to do to get ready for a video, that I'll do on video because I don't care, flip my hair. Okay, I'm ready. How do I look? Let's go. So this time around I'm going to do something a little bit different than what I've been doing. I got this triple berry blend I'm going to add with it. I still use the base, the Superfoods base that comes in a powder form. And I like the powder form because with powder you have complete control over how rich or weak or the thickness that it's going to be and all those things, which is really cool. First I need to fill this canister with some water. I like about anywhere between 8 to 12 ounces. And I'm guessing by sight. So this is probably more like about the 12-ounce level, I'd say today. And next I will add, I'm going to go over some of the health benefits of this, just a few things while I do this, because I always like to learn when I'm demoing or doing something. One precious scoop, getting there. Well, this bag is about empty now. Alright, next I'm going to add 1 drop of cinnamon bark oil. Cinnamon bark oil is a superfood for the pancreas. If you don't eat like a diabetic, you will become one. If you've already become one, you could probably reverse it, especially if it's type 2. Hi Cat, hi Sunny. And this is 500 times the concentration of regular cinnamon. So you don't want to put it directly into your mouth because you'll burn your taste buds off, and that's never fun. Hi Kayla, Jackie. So just 1 drop will do, that's all it needs. And it's going to be so potent. And not all cinnamon bark oils are created equally. So I will include links in the description of the stuff that I'm using, including the blender. And I'll get into why the blender is important for this particular berry mix that I'm making. And I'll get to the chocolate orgasm part soon, I promise. It's really good. Alright, so next is going to be the triple berry blend. It's delicious. I just found this and I thought, that looks delicious, I'll try that out. Hi Robin. I'm not measuring anything, so this will probably be about, I'm going to go for about a half a cup of this triple berry mix. Yummy. So this has got raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. So everyone knows these are healthy. I'm going to go into just a little bit of that. Raspberries, not a lot of people know this, but the raspberries, especially the seeds of the raspberries, they do not allow tumor cells to grow, period. Mushrooms also do not allow tumor cells to grow. And you also can't eat too many of them. It's impossible to gain weight by eating too many raspberries. It's just not going to happen. But most of the nutrition, the medicinal energy in a raspberry is actually going to be in those seeds. And there's maybe 3 blenders that I know of that's going to extract the nutrient from those seeds. If you just eat them without extracting the nutrients, the seeds will just pass through you. You won't really get the benefits from them. So if you have the right blender to extract those nutrients from the seeds, then you get all the extreme anti-cancerous properties and stuff to help with weight loss or weight management and all of the other benefits. It's also a superfood for the skin too, the raspberry. I think it's the #1, if I remember correctly, the #1 superfood for the skin. So if you want beautiful skin, eat lots of raspberries, but get the nutrients from the seeds extracted. That's key. So the 3 blenders, 2 of them right off the bat is going to be a Vitamix and a Blendtec. Those are $500, $600, $700 blenders. And I have a Vitamix and I love it. But there's also another blender that's about $100 or less than $100, much more affordable for most people, that will also do the job and extract those nutrients from the seeds and stuff like that. And in the description of this live feed, when it's all done, I will include a link to that blender so you guys can check it out. It's worthwhile having it. It can also pulverize an avocado pit in your smoothies, which is another huge medicinal health benefit. Okay, so now that I've got all that stuff added, and the base shake mix, it's got over 70 organic, GMO-free, whole food, plant-based ingredients. If you want to see that, just private message me, and I'll send you the link, and you can check it out. So I like adding cayenne pepper to my shakes. Cayenne pepper is extremely medicinal, huge antioxidant. I think it's an antifungal too, if I remember correctly. And I like a lot of heat. So give me some heat with my chocolate orgasm. You don't have to add it if you don't want to. Some people hate cayenne pepper and can't palate it. Alright, I'm not going to add any dark leafy greens to this one. That's basically going to be about it. So I got the chocolate orgasm vegan superfood blend. Private message me for the link, I'll send it to you. The cinnamon drop, or cinnamon bark oil, 1 drop only. And the triple berry blend with the raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. So now I'm going to take this blender here, blend it all up, taste it in front of your very eyes. Hi Kevin, hi Deanna, hi Lisa. Here goes. And do a little dance while it's blending. Okay. Here's the chocolate orgasm. Make it a group thing. I kind of just had one. No, really, these are that freaking good. I've been drinking these for, I don't know how many years, a really long time, very long time. I have it every day. Actually, nowadays I have them twice a day because they're so good. So that's the video. Invite your friends to watch it. This is all about health and feeling good. Looking and feeling better, and looking and feeling more youthful as we get older. That's what a lot of this is for us, because after we get to be about, I don't know, upper 20s or 30 something, I'm in my 40s now, but we start thinking about those things when we get to our upper 20s, maybe early 30s. And so to do things that help us look and feel younger as we get older, and if it can taste like a delicious chocolate orgasm in the process, that's where it's at, man. Hi Laura, hi Tina, hi Glenda. So I'll include all the links to the stuff I used in this video in the description when the live feed is over. And if you want the vegan, plant-based, whole food, superfoods, shake mix, pro-organic, anti-GMO that I use, just private message me, I'll send you that link. I've also got my website, tomberkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media, tomberkenmeyer.com. But, and if you have some goals of your own you want to talk about, feel free to private message me. And for those of you that are orgasmic over the thought of adding more health and wellness to people's lives and making residual money while doing so, if the thought of that just makes you feel euphoric and orgasmic, then private message me. I'll show you what I've been doing for over 10 years now. And if it turns you on when you look at it, then we'll lock arms and we'll do it. Be part of our community. That's all I've got for you. Take care, everybody. Mwah. Bye for now.